Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encountered throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Back at it, at one of the happiest places on earth. Willie Gilly said Vegas is the happiest place on earth, but man, I tell you, salvage yards are a close second. Just dropped a T5 V70. I think it's 2002, and an S70. Man, it's in pretty good shape. It's a shame these cars are in the salvage yard, so I'm pulling a couple of tidbits off of it and universal P80 stuff. My buddy Steve got a couple of things off of this. This thing's got the black headlight that are in good shape. Somebody need those glass headlights, let me know. A lot better than those plastic deals. Anyway, let me get this oil cooler block off plate and see what else I can find out at this lovely place. This S70 has some nice roof trim, so Steve got that. And I couldn't get my T40s out of there, so I'm gonna have to leave that. So you found your T40? Yeah. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Steve to the rescue. Steve's my second life source out here in the Bay Area. Just got back down here at the facility. Owner's supposed to be down here. He said he was going to paint this hood. Man, this thing like alligator skin. So I'm trying to figure out where he is. And I got a couple of bits for the other car here. And I got a fuel cap for this one. So let me get those parts. I got the key. I'm going to unlock it. Get started. See what I can get done today in the couple of hours that's left. Oh man, I think I accidentally got an aftermarket fuel cap. I don't know if it'll work right or not. Of course, this one says Volvo on it, the old one. Top of it busted out. I don't get that. And it looks like this. Now this one, like some of the Volvo things, has that leash on it, but I didn't notice that this end is different. So I don't know if that's how that's supposed to be or not. Maybe this is a newer cap, but I'm gonna put it on there, try it, hopefully it'll work. I don't like aftermarket stuff like this on Volvos, but the grip on it, man, seems exactly like the grip on some of the Volvo caps I've seen, so I should have looked at that closer before I bought this from the salvage yard. So we'll see if it works. But I do remember some of the Volvo caps having this leash on it. It may be just a newer cap. So let's put that on there. It's clicking, feeling like a Volvo cap. Tuck that up there. Heck, I think it's got to be that way to stop the door from hitting it. Strange. My 960 used to do this. I didn't know 850s did it. Don't see it often. But I locked the car and then I unlocked it with the key, and then I didn't open any doors for about 2 minutes. And it locked itself back. So I'm going to lock the door, unlock it, and I'm going to time it to see how long it takes to lock itself back, just so I could have that information to share with you guys. Strange, but I'm going to put this coolant reservoir cap on in the meantime. Didn't have any cracks in it. The one we had fell apart. I'm going to unlock the door. And we're going to time it to see how long it takes to lock itself back. Right at about 2 minutes, it locked itself back. So that's a recipe for locking yourself out of your car. I guess not. If you lock it with the keys in your hand, I don't know how you could lock yourself out, but unless you lock it with the door open and then you close the key in. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Locks itself back if you don't open the door in 2 minutes. Yesterday, before I left, I had this unlocked. Now this gosh dang thing is locked, and I don't have a key to unlock it. So let's see what's going on with this, why this thing is locking itself. This was a pretty short day. The owner came down, started messing with that hood, trying to see if he could paint it. He was going to paint it right there on the spot, and he said it was just too rough to paint. So we set everything down, went and had a bite to eat, hung out for a little bit, and called it a day. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.